उल्लास जाबाज 24/7 टीवी न्यूज, शहर का आईना।
नमस्कार, मैं प्रेम जामदानी। आप देख रहे हैं उल्लास जाबाज न्यूज। शहर की ताजा तरीन खबरों से बने रहने के लिए उल्लास जाबाज यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन को क्लिक कीजिए।
बदलते दौर में शिक्षा केवल पुस्तकों तक सीमित नहीं रही, बल्कि तकनीकी और वैज्ञानिक नवाचारों का हिस्सा बन चुकी है। स्मार्ट सिटी के निर्माण के दौर में छात्रों को आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, रोबोटिक्स और नवनतम तकनीकों की शिक्षा देना अब एक अनिवार्यता बन चुकी है। इसी सोच को आगे बढ़ाते हुए कल्याण स्थित बीबीआरटी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में 2 दिवसीय साई नोवा विज्ञान और रोबोटिक्स प्रदर्शनी का आयोजन किया गया। इस प्रदर्शनी का उद्घाटन शनिवार 8 फरवरी को हुआ, जिसमें कक्षा 1 से लेकर 7वीं तक के विद्यार्थियों ने अपनी रचनात्मकता और वैज्ञानिक सोच को प्रभावशाली प्रदर्शन किया। इस आयोजन में छात्रों ने विज्ञान, रोबोटिक्स, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से जुड़े अनोखे और भविष्य को दर्शाने वाले प्रोजेक्ट प्रस्तुत किए। रसायन विज्ञान के प्रयोगों से लेकर भौतिकी के सिद्धांतों पर आधारित मॉडलों तक, हर परियोजना यह दिखा रहे थे कि विज्ञान और तकनीकी किस तरह से हमारे जीवन को प्रभावित कर रहे हैं। खास करके विद्युत चुंबकत्व गति और ऊर्जा संरक्षण से जुड़े प्रयोगों, स्वचालित रोबोटिक सिस्टम और एआई आधारित स्मार्ट मॉडल्स ने छात्रों के अभिभावकों और शिक्षकों को चकित कर दिया। वहीं विद्यालय प्रशासन ने बताया कि आज के दौर में विद्यार्थियों को सिर्फ किताबों तक सीमित नहीं रखा जा सकता, बल्कि उन्हें स्मार्ट तकनीकों के साथ अपडेट रखना जरूरी है। यही कारण है कि स्कूल प्रशासन विद्यार्थियों को आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और नवनीतम टेक्नोलॉजी की शिक्षा देने में विशेष ध्यान दे रहा है। इस प्रदर्शनी के आयोजन और विद्यार्थियों को तैयार करने में स्कूल के वाइस प्रिंसिपल हर्षिता शेट्टी और एडवांटेक कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन के मनीष सर की महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका रही। इस प्रदर्शन ने छात्रों के कौशल, रचनात्मकता और वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोण को प्रस्तुत करने का कार्य किया। इस आयोजन की सफलता ने यह साबित कर दिया कि बीबीआरटी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के विद्यार्थियों सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान तक सीमित नहीं है, बल्कि वे विज्ञान और तकनीकी माध्यम से भविष्य को नई दिशा देने के लिए तैयार है।
morning. My name is Yuvan Shetty.
Good morning, my name is Sai Venkata. Good morning, my name is Ishita Sajnan. Today I will tell about reverse parking assistant technology. Have you ever struggled in parking in the tight spot and wished for some help? Well, reverse parking assistant you will get exactly that. Smart tech, it is help us to park safely and easily.
As you can see, without the help of reverse parking assistance, the cars end up crashing, which costs a lot. That's why we have built a project called Reverse Parking Assistance.
Helps us to park. Reverse park includes ultrasonic sensors. Ultrasonic sensors helps us to park the car easily.
AI algorithms adjust the system according to your choice, making the parking safer.
सर मैं हेमंत वासुदेव मेघवानी, ये मेरा बेटा BBRT स्कूल में पढ़ता है सर। इसका फर्स्ट ईयर था यहाँ पे, बहुत अच्छा है, ग्रेड 4 में है और आज इनका रिजल्ट था, बहुत अच्छा हुआ। बच्चे लोग का यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट बहुत अच्छा उन्होंने किया है। मेरा बेटा यहाँ पे पढ़ता है सिद्धार्थ मेघवानी। सिद्धार्थ बेटा, ये आपका का सबके बारे में बताइए आप इन्हें।
Excellent.
बहुत अच्छा।
Yes.
और कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप बच्चों के लिए?
बहुत अच्छा बना है.
अच्छा, ओके सर, थैंक यू सर, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे।
Good morning everyone. Our today's project is an automatic water dispenser and the theme for today is a McDonald's outlet. So basically this project is when we keep our glass over here, the circuit will be completed and the water will be dispensed from here. So let me show you. This is very advanced technology and by this method we can keep our hands germ free. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Adkan and I am from grade 5. Today I have made smart dustbin. She is my friend Riva. Hi. And Vaishnav. 5 waste collectors when it's the time to empty it. That's the magic of a smart dustbin. Effect when the bin is full or when someone is nearby. Some have motion sensors that automatically open the lid when you approach, making it touch free. The bin can also track the type of waste like recyclables from non-recyclables using image recognition or weight sensors. These inside smart dustbin include ultrasonic sensors to measure the fill level, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to send alerts when the bin is empty or needs filling, and solar panels in some model to power the dustbin frequently. Dustbin makes our cities more cleaner and greener. Now let me show you that when I'll put my hand near to this would automatically open.
Hi everyone, imagine you're sitting at home and you remembered that the windows of the car are open or your favorite clothes are at risk of getting soaked. What if there was a system which will help us in protecting our clothes without getting rushed out? Well, that's what we have created, an automatic rain shield. This project aims to detect the rain and acts instantly. Further, my friend Dhruv will guide you.
Good morning everyone. So as he said, the project name is Automatic Rain Shield. Well, it's a simple system designed to detect the rain and take action immediately. Here's what it does. When it starts to rain, the sensor detects the raindrops. The system sends a signal to a motor which activates a cover or shield to protect whatever is underneath, your car, your plants, or even your clothes drying on the line. It's very efficient and helpful in saving time and also avoids damage caused by any unexpected rains.
How the project works. Now let me show you how the project pours some water on the rain sensor. It will detect the moisture and automatically activate the motors to deploy the shield. This project is very simple, will help us in the future day-to-day lives and make our life easier. Thank you.
This is our remote control car. How it works, we have to do forward, then backward, then right, then left. We have to left. We have made this because if the children are seeing very much screen time, that's why we have made this, because if we reduce the screen time of the children, it will be not harm to their eyes. Thank you. Hi everyone, imagine you at a toy shop. You see a car zooming around the floor without anyone pushing it. A remote control car is a small vehicle that driving using a wireless remote. Here what is more special? Remote control. Instead of using hands to push it, we use a remote to sense commands wirelessly. Direction control. The car can move forward, backward, turn left or turn right. No string attached. The car doesn't need any wires to attach to it controller. It uses wire signal to move. The type of car is great fun and game, but similarly technology is used in turn with the help of is. In this project, they have taken electronic machines and coding to make it fun and fiction. This is not just a toy. It is a step towards the world of the robotics and wireless technology. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself Yatisim from grade 7. Welcome to our robotics exhibition. Imagine of building on fire, thick smoke, intense heat and danger everywhere. Sending people inside is risky. But what robot could go instead? That's where firefighting robots come in. Firefighting robots are machines designed to fight fire safely and efficiently. Equipped with heat sensors, cameras and water hose, they can detect fire, navigate through smoke and extinguish fire, places to dangers for humans.
Firefighting robot uses cameras and heat sensors which help them to locate fires and see in low visibility. AI and GPS trackers help them to guide to move around obstacles. Water tanks, hose water spray and fire radiant foams. Some even uses drones to find the hotspot from above.
My name is Rohit Singh Mangal from grade 2A. This is building counter. Hey everyone, my name is Trishan. My name is Anisha. Parents, welcome to our airport. Before going into the plane, you have to walk through airport checking. This ensure that no material made up of metal which can harmful for our plane. These detectors are quick and effective, helping security to find any hidden metal objects they use, such as electromagnetic fields and sensors. Good morning, sir. My name is Jivika Chawla. This is Ginika and this is Pihu. Today I will tell you about the periscope principle. A periscope works on the principle of reflection. When light reflects or mirrors at a certain angle, it allows us to see objects that are out of our direct line of sight. Thank you. I have used two mirrors to form a periscope. One is here and one is here. You can see reflection on this mirror. Now the reflection travels to the second mirror. So you can see image from here. You can drag. You can see it in many submarines, and it is a camera of submarine. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mahira Aseja, and let me introduce you to my friends Ruhi and Yashika. We are from grade 4 at BBR International School. Today, we are very excited to show you our project on drip irrigation. Do you know that plants also need water just like we need? But sometimes too much water is wasted. While we water them. So drip irrigation is a smart way to water plants without wasting any. I would request Yashika to further explain the project.
When we put water in the tank, it goes from pipe to motor and motor to pipe like this. This called as drip irrigation. We can save water and time. For further explanation, Ruhi will explain you.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Ruhi Vatani. I am from grade 4. I will tell you about the working of drip irrigation and its principle and observation. Principle. Drip irrigation is a method of watering plants slowly and directly at the roots using pipe or tube. This helps save water and ensure that the plants get enough moisture without wasting water. Observation. In a drip irrigation system, the water drips slowly and directly at the plant's roots, which helps the plants get water without wasting any. The water doesn't spread over the soil. It goes exactly where it needs. Thank you. My name is Kushram Dandani. I am studying in 5th grade. My teammate name is Ridansh and Hitesh. Today we are going to explain about excretory system. When we drink water, it goes to our kidney to filter with the help of nephrons, and then it passes through the ureter to reach the bladder, and then it goes out of our body in the form of urine. In conclusion, the excretory system is important for maintaining the good health, eliminating waste, and balancing the water and salt level in our body. Good morning. Welcome to our science exhibition. My name is Apal and meet my friends Sir Shivansh and Sir Anil. So today we are gathered here to show our project. Our project is drone. How does this drone? First we need to on the remote. Then we will on the drone. Now we will move the joystick up and down. Afternoon, ma'am. Plastic waste is a growing concern as plastic takes hundreds of years to break down in the environment and can have serious problems for human beings, wild animals, and for marine life. It is important to implement this issue. To the principles of reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover in order to manage the plastic waste. Thank you.
What is this?
Plastic and road.
Sorry. And what is happening here?
Washing.
Very good. Good morning, ma'am. This is our water level indicator. In this, we have seen in most of the houses that when the underground tank gives water to the overhead tank, there is lot of overflow, which results in water wastage. So we have built a mechanism in which the underwater tank gives water to the overhead tank, and the sensor detect and give the readings. Yes, ma'am. As you said, the water is getting pumped and the sensors
Now the 100% is filled. Now 100% is fulfilled, means the tank is full. So the buzzer start buzzing that the tank is full, and when 100% full tank is full, so the pump get disconnected from the circuit.
We have made intruder alarm. It is basically fitted on the main door, so that if someone tries to tamper your door, this alarm rings, and when you are outside, you want to make sure that your house is safe. We put this alarm, and you can see how it works. Give me some objects that we find. Objects like if we open it. These two are. So this is IR. Yes, this is IR transmitter, which transmits the IR rays on the IR receiver. So that is why if there is an objection, you can see the rays are cut, and that is why.
What and this is black is for the TV.
Bonjour, sir. Welcome to Science Exhibition. I am Ahana, and these are my teammates, Monica, Sejal, and Ridhima. Our project name is Anti-Sleep Alarm Glasses. The use of this is when you are driving a car. If by chance you slept, it will start ringing or vibrating, and also when you are studying. Now I hand over to Monica. I have censored these track your movements and tell if you're feeling sleepy or your eyelids are closing slowly. Comfortable fit. They are designed to wear for a long time, so they are usually lightweight and adjustable to fit in your head. Now I will hand over to Sejal. Now I will tell you about the principle of anti-sleeping safety goggles. These goggles have a sensor that flash the light and vibrate and make a sound. When the goggles see you by taking sleep, when you are doing any work, it make the sound and vibrate and flash the light. Now I would hand over to Ridhima. And in conclusion, anti-sleeping safety goggles are effective tools designed to help prevent accidents caused by fatigue. They help by tracking eye movements and then alerting the wearer through sounds, vibration and lights. They should be comfortable, reliable and responsible. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Shreya. My name is Rit. And my name is Ujit. Today we are here for science exhibition. Our topic is circulation of heart. The heart is a muscle that blood throughout the body. We have made this project by using cardboard, chart paper, glue, battery, thermocol and many other things. When the deoxygenated blood goes to the right atrium to the right ventricle, when it reaches to the left atrium to the left ventricle, it results to oxygenated blood. Thank you.
Nice participation, nice contribution from all the kids. very supportive team, very supportive members are here, very supportive teachers are here. Especially thanks to Shetty ma'am, which is a principal of this school, which leading all the teachers, especially looking very nice all the things. Now we are thinking that the future is too much ahead to go with the Shetty ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
इट वॉज वेरी वेल एक्सप्लेन. बहुत ज़्यादा हार्डवर्क किया है बच्चों ने. इट इज़ वेरी एक्सीलेंट. स्कूल का भी बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा रोल है इसमें. टीचर्स आर हेल्पिंग वेरी दे आर वेरी काइंड, वेरी हेल्पफुल. एवरी जो भी यहाँ पे साइंस है, रोबोटिक्स है, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से टीचर्स ने भी बहुत ज़्यादा इनिशिएटिव लिया है. बच्चे भी बहुत हार्डवर्क कर रहे हैं एंड इट इज़ पेइंग रियली वेल. वेरी वेल डन.
आप देखिए, आज उल्लासनगर या विसिनिटी एरिया में पहला ऐसा स्कूल है जो राइट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट ग्रेड के बच्चे को रोबोटिक्स एंड आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस पे किड्स के साथ हाथ में काम करने दे रहा है. एंड कितने सारे बच्चों ने, जस्ट 5th ग्रेड के बच्चों ने यूजिंग पाइथन लैंग्वेज गेम्स बनाई, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस यूज करके फेस डिटेक्शन के कैमरास बनाए. सो मेनी अमेजिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स. कैन यू इमेजिन, एक 5th का बच्चा आज गेम बना सकता है पाइथन कोडिंग में. आप सोचिए 10th तक पहुंचते उसकी क्या स्किल्स बन जाएगी. हम हमारे यहाँ पे स्कूल में बीबीआरटी में बच्चों को न सिर्फ नॉर्मल एकेडमिक्स, उसके साथ उनको आज के जमाने में जो सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज चल रही वो है टेक्नोलॉजी, उसके साथ पूरी तरह से तैयार कर रहे हैं. डेफिनेटली बीबीआरटी स्कूल इज ग्रोइंग अल्टीमेटली विद ऑल दी स्किल्स एंड ऑल. इसमें बीबीआरटी स्कूल ने हमें एक बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी दी आर एडवांटेक को, कि वो बच्चों को पूरी तरह टेक्नोलॉजी में एकदम बेस्ट बना के आगे निकल. Whether the student wants to become a doctor, engineer, lawyer, whatever, but आज हर फील्ड में टेक्नोलॉजी AI is must. Based on that, we are training them extreme level पे, right from 1st to 8th grade बच्चा, and they are now ready to face the international world of technology and all.
सर, एक पूरा क्लास जो है वो स्मार्ट सिटी के ऊपर डेडिकेट था, डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स
Yes.
पर है, उसके बारे में आप क्या बताएं?
देखिए, अलग अलग थीम से आज के हमारे इस इवेंट में एक बहुत अच्छी थीम रखी थी इन्होंने कि स्मार्ट सिटी. जैसे एंट्री होने पे अगर उनको कार पार्क करना है तो कार में कोई गार्ड नहीं चाहिए असिस्ट करने के लिए. रिवर्स पार्किंग के लिए डोर वेल ओपन होनी चाहिए, ऑटोमेटिकली डोर्स ओपन होने चाहिए. इस तरह से पूरा एक स्मार्ट सिटी का कंसेप्ट बना के हम लोगों ने उसमें थीम्स में इंक्लूड किया हुआ था. दैट वाज अ अमेजिंग थीम आज के सेशन, आज के इवेंट का हमारा.
आज बीबीआरटी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में हमने साइंस एंड रोबोटिक एग्जीबिशन रखा गया था. द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ये एग्जीबिशन का था कि हमको बच्चे के अंदर साइंस और एआई टेक्नोलॉजी का टेम्पो क्रिएट करना था, इसलिए ये एग्जीबिशन हमने रखा था. इसमें मोर देन 100 स्टूडेंट्स पार्टिसिपेटेड, राइट फ्रॉम ग्रेड 1 टू ग्रेड 8. जो प्रोजेक्ट्स आपने देखे वो सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स बच्चों ने बनाए हैं, जो उन लोग एवरी डे जो सीखते हैं, जो टीचर सिखाते हैं, वो ध्यान में रख के उन्होंने ये प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए और उसका नतीजा आज आपने खुद ने देखा है. यहाँ बीबीआरटी स्कूल में हम आए दिन ऐसे इवेंट्स करते रहते हैं सो दैट बच्चों को हम वो प्लेटफॉर्म दे. हमारा उद्देश्य ये है कि हमको बच्चों को आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड के लिए, जो कॉम्पिटिटिव दुनिया है उसके लिए हमको रेडी करना है, राइट फ्रॉम एकेडमिक्स टू टेक्नोलॉजी टू को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज. हम हर एक पॉइंट पे फोकस करते हैं और बच्चों को वो चीज के लिए रेडी करते हैं. थैंक यू.